The history of puzzling COVID-19 cases has become clearer overnight as life returns to a pandemic normal.
We're feeling pretty good at where we are at the moment.
7 new COVID-19 cases were confirmed, 4 of them local transmission, but the Chief Health Officer isn't worried.
All closely linked, and we can work through all those, and we'll be putting out any additional venues.
One, announced late yesterday, is a close contact of a case at the Greek Community Centre. Her child has also now tested positive. The other 2 new cases are the colleague and partner of the man who travelled to Yamundi.
All of these are the alpha strain. We do not believe that the Delta variant is circulating in our community, which is excellent news.
So too is that contact tracers may have found a missing link between 3 previous cases. It turns out they'd all been to the Zeus Street Greek kitchen at Westfield Chermside at the same time.
We're just working out all of the specifics, but we think that is probably the site of transmission.
The Southeast Alpha variant cluster now stands at more than 20 and can be traced back to a leak from hotel quarantine. The Premier says the state could do away with using hotels altogether if the Commonwealth would commit to 2 standalone quarantine sites. The 2 governments are working through a new proposal at Pinkenba near the Brisbane Airport, but Annastacia Palaszczuk is also pushing a private proposal at Wellcamp near Toowoomba, which fails to meet key federal government criteria.
Why don't you just give up on Wellcamp?
Because it's fully costed, it's ready to go, it could be built in 2 months.
No, that's not deemed a suitable facility at Toowoomba.
We believe the Damascus site is a far superior approach than Wellcamp.
The Pinkenba facility could hold up to 1,450 people, with 800 people arriving per fortnight in the initial stages.
Which would allow roughly 2 repatriation flights, 2 Australian government repatriation flights a week to bring home those stranded Aussies.
But before the idea takes flight, there's weeks of detailed planning and squabbling ahead. Kate McKenna, ABC News, Brisbane.